Hello everyone of class 7 standard. Today we will just start the question answer part of the chapter 1. Okay. The numericals and the syllabus of that portion has completed, but here the question answer part from this book I will tell you. The exercise book you can get that one in your in this book. Okay. So one by one, page number 14 it is actually given. So one by one I'm just telling you the questions. First question A, that is a short answer type question, is given. First one is given that which of the following is the standard unit of length, given meter, millimeter, decimeter, centimeter. So answer will be meter. So first question is option number A. Okay. Second one, what is volume? Volume means the space occupied by a body. If you consider any three-dimensional figure like a cube, suppose if you consider, then how much space it has occupied. Okay, how much space it has occupied, that means it is the multiplication of length into breadth into height. That means the space, how much all the things is covered if you consider the space of it. That is only the volume of any type of body. Next one, write the relationship between the following units. That is very important question, and question is repeatedly asked in the exam. I am just telling you this. The first question, first relation, that the hectare and the meter square. 1 hectare is equal to 10 to the power 4 meter square, you can write down. Okay, that is the first one. Second one, meter cube and the centimeter cube. 1 meter cube is equal to 10 to the power 6 centimeter cube. Clear? Next one, meter cube into liter. Suppose if you consider 1 meter cube is equal to how much liter? Answer will be 1000 liter. Okay. Next one, that centimeter cube and the millimeter. Okay, milliliter. Sorry, centimeter cube is also the unit of volume, and that is equal to 1 ml. 1 centimeter cube means only the 1 ml. Next one and the last one, R and the meter square, which is very important relation. This is the unit, both are the units of area. Okay, R and meter square. Yes, R and meter square, this is the relation. R is the bigger unit of area, and relation between R and meter square is this one. One more relation is also come in the exam, that the relation between these two. Okay, hectare and the R, that you also read. Okay, this is given on the book. So this relation also may come in the exam. Next one, what is the unit of volume? So definitely meter cube we can write. What is the unit used to measure the small area? Small area units, millimeter square, centimeter square. These all are the smaller units to measure the area of a given body. Next one, in which unit is large area is measured? These are the units. R you can write, hectare you can write. These all are actually the units used to measure the larger area. Clear? And area means what? The surface area actually we are just talking about. Which two factors are to be specified to measure the density? We all know that the density of a body is equal to what? That is mass by volume. So if you calculate the density of a body, then these two things must be considered. So these two things, M means mass and V means the volume of a body. So these two things are very much required to calculate the density of a body. Clear? Next one, how do you find the density of a regular body? Regular body by calculating these two things. Irregular body you will calculate the density in class 8 standard. Here only this one is given. So if you calculate the mass of the body, suppose it is coming 10 kilogram, the volume of the body is coming what? Suppose 100, suppose in SI system, so that is the meter cube, maybe this one is coming. So in this way, by calculating the mass of the body, volume of the body, by dividing this to, the density will come. Okay. In CGS system you can also measure gram, centimeters cube. Okay, this way. Next one, how can you find the speed of a body? Speed of a body means what? Speed means always denoted, that is distance divided by the time taken. So how much distance? First you calculate the distance covered by the body, which is always present, which will never be zero, and the time taken, how much time it has taken to cover this amount of distance. Then this ratio will give you the speed of the body. Clear? In this way you can calculate. Long answer type question, describe the method to appropriate the area of irregular body. I told you that one. Irregular body, suppose you will take, then grid you make in this way. That grid you can make of same length, then one formula is there, C plus P into 0.5. Okay, this is the formula of area to calculate of a irregular body. By calculating this method I told in the online classes. Inside complete square and outside complete outside, that means the center portion squares, complete one, and the perimeter one, these which are not complete, like this one, like this one, like this one, these are actually not completed. Okay, so these all count here, and then use the formula, then that result will come. That I told. Next, pick the correct one. Hectare is a unit of what? Hectare is a unit of area. R is a unit of what? R is a unit of area. These options are given: area, volume, length, none of these. So area will be the answer. Which of the following is not used for measurement of volume? Okay, given burette. Next one, beam balance, graduated cylinder, and tumbler measures. Tumbler is used for calculating volume. Cylinder is also used for volume measurement. Burette is also a thing to just measure the volume of the liquids. Sometimes different types of acids, bases also. Beam balance is used to measure the mass of the object. It is not used to measure the volume of the body. So that will be the answer. Option number B. Clear? Now next one is the fill in the blanks. The standard unit of volume is what? That is meter cube. Okay, that I have written here, that meter cube. This one is the standard unit of volume. Next one, R of a regular body, area of a regular surface is measured by what? Meter square. Three things are there, so that's why meter cube for volume. Two things side into side, so that's why meter square will come in case of calculating the area. So meter square will be the answer. R is a unit for the measurement of what? R is a unit to measure the area of a body. Okay. Volume of a cube is what? Is L cube, you can write down. That is side into side into side. That means L into B into H. So every case, suppose a cube is there, then all the sides are equal. So L into L into L, you can write down. That will give you the L cube. Suppose it's a cuboid, that means all the sides are not same. Length, breadth and height are different. Then in this case you have to use this one. But basically this one is the for volume. Next one, volume of a cuboid. Just now I told that one. In case of cuboid, all the cuboid and cube, the difference is only that cube means all the sides are equal. That means length, breadth and height all are equal. They all are equal to L, suppose if you consider. But cuboid, all are different. Okay, so that is a difference. Define the following term. That is your homework you will do. Rest few questions are there that I will give you in the homework also. Okay, so for today this much I am just telling you. Okay, wait.